Have an older Lexus SUV hybrid truck here. I slowed down the before. It had like a reddish, goldish tint to the light. It was really weird. The owner said he used a kit a few years ago, and that's how it wound up, and it's been like that ever since, until he called us, of course. Here on the right side, the same thing. I wish he would have let me take off that parking sticker and he would just bought a new one, because it would have looked even nicer. But wait till you see this transformation. It just looks fantastic. Look at this. Right off the showroom floor, doesn't it? I mean, look at that. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We're fully mobile. We come to you. Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County, Florida. Just give us a call, 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to you. Call us today. Thank you for watching this video.